Hi, today I'm producing CAT S53 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. First, we should open the settings application and then tap to the sound section. Here you could see media, coloring, alarm and notifications bottom panel. Just to change the volumes, we should slide to the left or to the right side these dots. Here we got vibration focal section. We could change it from first then ring gradually to always or never to vibrate. Go back. In media section we could hide player when the media session has ended with the help of the switcher. Let's go back. Tap the shortcut to prevent ringing. We could turn it on or turn it off, and to use it in vibrate or mute mode. And in advanced settings we got here the call ringtone for sim 1, sim 2 and default notification and alarm sounds, so we can change them. And here we could also activate and turn off the dial button, screen lock and lock sound, charging sounds and vibration touch sounds, and touch vibration. So just to turn on or turn off all of these options we should use the switchers. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.